Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewithsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Would you like to create a shortcut for your streaks on Snapchat? You can easily do it. Just follow these steps. Open up Snapchat app on your phone and log into your Snapchat profile. Take a snap. Now tap on Send to. Click on the search bar at the top and then tap on Create Shortcut button. Click on Choose Emoji at the top and choose any emoji from your keyboard. Now select people which you would like to add to your shortcut. Then tap on Create Shortcut at the bottom. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewithsocial.com.